Guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niches in Canva. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create a logo for automotive company and in Canva, and you can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can go to social media pages and ask them your services. Go to Google, check websites related to automotive industry, and ask them your services. Target the offline market. You will surely get orders, so opportunities are limitless. So let's go to canva.com. If you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn, and if you want to learn complete Canva, and you have to go to my channel Iron Tech and go to the playlist section. Here I upload a complete playlist on Canva, and after watching the playlist you will surely know everything about Canva. So let's get started towards our logo. So I click on create a design, and here I search logo. So there is a most common format is 500 by 500, but if you work for a client, so make logo according to the client's required size. So I click on element, and here I search automotive, and there are different available icons, and our dummy company name is Mike Automotives Auto Mike Motors. So let's see. This one is good, so I increase the size, and after that I click on text, and here I write Mike Motors, and let's change the size. First of all, color, then font, and place it here. So that's it, our logo is ready. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.